Hey guys, it's Chris back here with Prestige Auto. We've got this 2012 Ford Fusion in the garage. The door handle on the inside, it's a common problem with these. It's broken, it flops around, it won't lock. So we went down to LKQ and picked up a used door handle. And I'm going to show you guys how to take this door panel off and replace this. Okay guys, so we got all of our tools together. You're going to need a T20, a couple flathead screwdrivers. I've got a little one because inside here there's a little tab you've got to pop down to get to the T20 screw. We're also going to need a 7mm because down in the cup holder there's a 7mm. But there's a T20 here, there's a T20 on the bottom, and a T20 inside here. There's a 7mm inside there. And then you want to take a flathead. We're going to pop this little cover off right here. Okay, maybe not. Maybe we'll pop that off later. Alright, so we're going to get this thing off. Okay, so when you take the 7mm out here, it just pops up. You're going to pull it up and unplug this plug. You'll squeeze in the little gray tab and wiggle it so that it pops out. Set that to the side. Let's make sure there's no screws in there we didn't know about. Okay, and then this cover to your door handle, you can just put a little screwdriver behind it and push out a little bit. Pull the handle out so that it gives it some room. And just kind of wiggle that out. And there's a plug back here too for your door lock. I'm going to push in the little black tab, pull it free. Alright, so this thing has some little tabs inside. I usually just get a screwdriver behind it and then just pull the heck out of it. See how it pops out like that? Just grab it, pop it out. Pop it out a little bit more. Okay. Now this piece will come out. Once you got this free, once you get this free, you can jiggle this top part over here. I don't know if you can see it, but there you go. Now everything just comes out. There we go. Got the panel off. Okay, now that we're inside, we've got an 8mm bolt right here. So you're going to need an 8mm and some needle nose pliers. So let's get this nut out here. Okay, take your needle nose pliers and just kind of give it a little bit of pressure. You can wiggle that, pop it free. There we go. And then this little wire inside, just pull it around and raise it up and it'll pop free. Now your broken one is out of the way. Let's get the new one and show you guys how to put it on. We've got the new door handle here. We're going to take this wire and find the little, inside there's a little spot that's connected to the door lock. Just move it around until that thing will go in, and then you're going to take this and put it back in that groove and it'll pop, kind of lock in like that. You're going to line it up here, put your 8mm back in. Alright, we've got this back on. Got everything bolted back up. The door lock works now. Lock it. Everything works. So we're going to put this panel back on. It pretty much goes just like we took it off. So let's get it and put it back on. If you look at the back of this panel, it's got a bunch of little tabs here, here, there, all the way around it. Those tabs are going to line up with your door here, here, and there's little holes that go all the way around. Make sure that you fish your wires back through your door handle. Plug your lock back in. Just line everything back up with the holes. Kind of snaps back in place. Put the T20s back in, the 7mm in the center, click everything back together, and then you'll have it. Let's do it. So there it is, guys. We got it all put back together. It was really simple. It just lines up in those little spots that I showed you. Just tap it in, they'll pop in. You put your door handle cover back on, put the screw back in. Make sure you put your screw back in here, and that's it. Door locks, unlocks, everything works as it should. So pretty simple job, guys. Thanks for watching.